Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this eyeglasses or sunglasses neck strap. Now these are great for people who tend to just set their eyeglasses down somewhere and forget them. And also stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can prevent this from coming off. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you slap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the next tutorial video on jewelry making and crocheting. And let's go back inside and get started. For this project, we're going to use 2 strands of Trellis Ladder Yarn, and we're going to cut these strands to 125 inches each, and this is going to make a 25-inch eyeglass neck strap. And today we're going to use the color Fresh Flowers, and I've already cut my yarn to 125 inches, so we can start with our slip knot and put our crochet hook in there. And all we're going to do is do a chain stitch, so chain crochet. And we're going to crochet over both strands of yarn as we go. And just be careful that you're using both strands and not missing any loops as you go. And we're going to do this, I just missed a loop right there, so I'm just going to pull it out and put my hook back in and keep going. So we're going to do this until we get to 25 inches. Now I'm almost to the end of my yarn, so I'm going to measure it from here and see where we're at. That's 12. And try not to stretch it when you're measuring it. You want to just lay it flat. That's 24. So we're at 26, so we could probably take out an inch. And then you can cut the excess off, and you want to pull this through that last chain and then just tighten it. So you can pull it tight like this and kind of slide it down so it makes a knot right here. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So just kind of slide it down and pull it tight. Now you can take your eyeglass links and you're gonna kind of slide this metal part a little bit down. You don't want to slide it all the way off because it'll be really hard to get back on, but just slide it so this loop is a little bit bigger. And we're gonna take one of our ends and thread it through the hole here. Then take it all the way down to the where your chains start, and then we're going to tie a knot over this. And I like to try to face this part up and tie the knot so it's like that. So the link is actually facing up from where your chains are. And then you're going to tie one more knot over it. Then what we're going to do is, you can see our knots on this side. We're going to flip this over and tie a knot on this side. That's one knot, and I like to do 2 more. So 2 and 3, so 3 knots total. And then you can cut your ends right at the point where your chain starts, where your knots end. And then you can move that back a little bit because this is the part we're going to slip onto our sunglasses. Then just do the same thing for the other side. And now we're ready to put this onto our glasses. So you're going to take this loop and slide it right over the end of your glasses. And then you can pull this metal part close to your glasses and wear it like that, and just do the same thing for the other side. And there's also another trick I want to show you guys. You can wear it like this, but if you find that this starts to slide off, then you can also turn it over like this so it's kind of like upside down, and then you're going to take the metal part and squeeze it as much on here as you can, kind of slide it towards the end, and we're going to put this loop over this. Just kind of stretch it over like that. So now you have both loops on the end of your sunglasses, and this helps to keep it from sliding off. Do the same on the other side. And then you can slide it back down. And there you go. Now you're ready to wear your glasses.